Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry King. And I am Dr. S.K. Sinha discussing here questionnaire on benzene. Here we will be discussing some questions pertaining to the benzene. First question is, what is difference between triple bond of ethine and benzene? It is ethine, that is acetylene, and it is benzene. Here, these two carbon atoms, in between these two carbon atoms, one is covalent bond, one is sigma bond, this one is pi bond, and this is also pi bond. For this pi bond, two atomic orbitals are shown. These two atomic orbitals are perpendicular to this line and also parallel. These two are parallel. So, overlapping is very good. Good overlapping is there. Good overlapping is in between two carbon atoms of acetylene or ethine. And it is linear. Okay. On the other hand, it is benzene and triple bond is here. It is sigma bond, it is pi bond. And outside the ring, these two are sp2 hybrid orbitals. Friends, underline that in ethine, these two carbon atoms are sp hybridized. But in benzene, these two carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. sp hybridized here and sp2 hybridized here. So, these two orbitals are sp2 hybrid orbitals. And so, these two hybrid orbitals are neither perpendicular to this nor they are parallel. They are not parallel, and obviously these two are far apart to each other. So, overlapping is very poor, and hence there is a triple bond between these two carbon atoms, which is strained triple bond. Overlapping is not good, so it is strained triple bond. Friends, here this carbon and this carbon will never be sp hybridized. If so, it should be linear. But here this carbon and this carbon, it is a ring system, and therefore linear structure here is not possible. And obviously these two carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Okay. Second question is, what is the hybridization of triply bonded carbon of benzene? Just discussed now, these two carbon atoms of benzene are sp2 hybridized. Okay. Next question, why singlet benzene is called singlet? It is the singlet benzene, and spin multiplicity is equal to 2s plus 1 or n plus 1. 2s plus 1, where s is the total spin or total spin quantum number, and s is equal to n by 2. So, 2s plus 1 is equal to n plus 1, where n is the number of unpaired electrons and here number of unpaired electrons is 0. These two electrons are paired. Here we are writing poor overlap. So it is clear that these two electrons are paired. So in benzene there is no unpaired electrons, means number of unpaired electrons is 0. Therefore n plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1, that is 1. So spin multiplicity is 1, and so singlet benzene will said to be singlet. Next question is, why triplet benzene is called triplet? Okay. Triplet benzene exists in two structures, this and this. This structure you are looking here, there are two unpaired electrons. So spin multiplicity is equal to n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, where n is equal to number of unpaired electrons and number of unpaired electrons are 2. Therefore 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Thus spin multiplicity is 3, and that's why triplet benzene is called triplet, corresponding to 3. Okay. And it is the second structure. We will also discuss here. Here next question is, why triplet benzene is called excited state benzene? Here we have written, underline it, due to one of the triplet structures. Second structure has two singlet carbons. Sorry, it is not carbons, two singlet carbons. Two singlet carbons or two singlet carbines. Two singlet carbines. Okay. Correct here. It is carbines. Okay. Here okay friends, my question is why sometimes benzene is why singlet benzene is called singlet, we have discussed. Why triplet benzene is called triplet, we have discussed. Why sometimes benzene is referred to as diradical. Then we will discuss why triplet benzene is called excited state benzene. Why sometimes benzene is referred to as diradical, due to one of the triplet structures. First structure has two unpaired electrons. Here first structure has two unpaired electrons. Therefore sometimes benzene is called diradical. Okay. Next question is, why triplet benzene is called excited state benzene? Why triplet benzene is called excited state benzene? Due to one of the triplet structures. Second structure has two singlet carbons. Singlet carbons or carbene. Better to write carbines. Look at here. It is benzene, second structure of triplet benzene. It is sigma bond, and it is this carbon and this carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. So this pi bond is formed by two pz orbitals or p orbitals, unhybridized atomic orbitals, p orbitals, and these two are sp2 hybrid orbitals. So here, out of these two, one is p orbitals and one is sp2 hybrid orbitals, and in the similar fashion one is p orbitals and one is sp2 hybridorobital, and here both orbitals contain one electron and unpaired electrons. Both orbitals contain unpaired electrons, one unpaired electron, and both unpaired electrons overlap here and also here. Paired up, electrons are paired up, or you can say overlap for pairing. So this carbon is not carbon but carbene, and this carbon is also carbene. And which carbene? Singlet carbene. And you know that singlet carbene is excited. So there are two singlet carbene here in benzene, and that's why triplet benzene is called excited benzene. Okay, then we have discussed here why triplet benzene is called excited state benzene. Okay friends, now we have discussed a lot of important questions on benzene. Thank you. See you again.